This is a video tutorial from IT for Medics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add charts to a Word document. So I'm going to show you how to copy a chart and add it to your Word document. And I'm also going to show you the pros and cons of the different methods of pasting your chart into a Word document. So the situation is that I am writing a research paper and I want to put a chart into my research paper. So I've got here a pie chart that needs to go into the paper, and it is a pie chart of patients with categories, and it's a number of patients. And so first thing I do is I click on the pie chart, so you left click and then you right click and you go to copy, and then I go to my Word document, so I open that up and here's my blank Word document, and I go to paste, and then I've got a set of options here, so I'll talk you through each one. So this one is use destination theme and embed workbook. So what this does is it pastes the chart in, but it also keeps this entire workbook inside the Word document at the same time. Now the trouble with that is that it can create quite a big Word file, so you'll get like several megabytes, and then it becomes harder to send it by email, for example. The next option is keep source formatting and embed workbook. This is slightly better in that it will keep the formatting from the Excel document, but it will also paste in the Excel document itself as well. So that will be kept in the Word document and you'll end up with a big file. This one is where you use destination theme and link data. So it will take the theme from the Excel document, so it'll keep your formatting, but it will also link the data to the Excel. So if you had the Word document open at the same time as the Excel and you changed the data in the Excel, it would update the chart in the Word document, which can be really good. So if you wanted a chart that could be dynamic, that could change as you change the data, bearing in mind you have to have both open at the same time, then that's a good option. And this one is a similar option, but it keeps the source formatting. And then the final one is picture. Now I often prefer to use picture because it means that when you send it to someone they can't mess with it, so that's quite good for that reason, and it also keeps the file size nice and small. The trouble is, if you need to change the chart, then you need to paste it in again as another picture, because you can't suddenly update the data in the Excel and let it update the chart in the Word. So that's the only disadvantage I think there. So if I click picture, I've now pasted my picture in. And then I can do all kinds of things with this. I can center it by clicking this centering button here. I can add some spaces. I can do whatever I like. I can resize it. I can put it to the left, the right. And there you go. And that's how you add a chart to Word. So in this video, I showed how to add charts to a Word document. So I showed you how to copy a chart and add it to the Word document, and then I showed you the pros and cons of the different ways of pasting the chart into the Word document. So for example, pasting it with the whole Excel sheet behind it, pasting it as a link, or pasting it as a photo. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.